Hello everyone and welcome to this course on MongoDB database design. Before we start, let me ask you a very honest question. Have you ever faced a situation where your application is growing, data is becoming complex, performance is degrading, and suddenly your database design becomes your biggest bottleneck? If yes, this course is exactly for you. And if you are a beginner thinking like I don't even fully understand what a database is yet, don't worry, we start from absolute zero. Why database design matters? Most developers learn frameworks. Some learn APIs. Very few truly understand database design. But in real world systems, bad UI can be fixed. Bad APIs can be refactored. Bad database design lives forever. That's why companies struggle with performance issues, scaling problems, data duplication, painful migrations. In this course, I will teach you how to design MongoDB database correctly from day one. Let me quickly explain what exactly you will learn in this course. Fundamentals. We begin with what is a database, why databases exist, what problems databases solve, types of databases. I explain everything with real life analogies, not textbook definitions. SQL versus no SQL, clear and practical. SQL versus no SQL databases, what are they? When to use SQL, when to use no SQL, why MongoDB exists, why companies like Netflix, Uber, and Airbnb use MongoDB. This section alone clears years of confusion for many learners. Why MongoDB? Next, we deep dive in MongoDB. You will understand what MongoDB really is, documents, collections, and databases. JSON versus BSON, schema flexibility, horizontal scaling, performance advantages. I don't just tell you what MongoDB does, I explain why MongoDB was designed this way. Then we move into hands-on work. I will show you how to install MongoDB, MongoDB Compass, MongoDB Shell. Everything is explained step by step. No skipped steps, no assumptions. Even if this is your first database, you will feel confident. Core MongoDB concepts. This is where the real learning begins. You will master databases and collections, documents and fields, CRUD operations, indexes, query optimization, aggregation basics, but mostly importantly, you will learn MongoDB database design, including embedding versus referencing, one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one relationships, designing for reads versus writes, avoiding over-normalization, avoiding data duplication mistakes. These are interview level and production level concepts. This course is not just about commands. I teach you how beginners design MongoDB and why it fails, how professionals design MongoDB, how to think like a database architect, how to design schemas for scalability. You will learn how to think, not just how to type commands. Working with Python and PyMongo. Finally, we integrate MongoDB with real applications. You will learn how to connect MongoDB with Python using PyMongo, inserting, reading, updating, deleting data, writing clean and efficient database code. This is extremely useful for backend developers, data engineers, automation engineers, AI ML projects, real-world backend systems. This course is perfect for absolute beginners, backend developers, QA and automation engineers, data engineers, anyone preparing for interviews, anyone working on real production systems. And the best part, no prior MongoDB knowledge required. So let's build strong database foundations that last your entire career.